In this week's yoga class, we will cover Yoni Mudra as the meditative asana, spot walking as warm-up, full body stretches and Pawan Muktasana. Today let's practice the meditative posture Yoni Mudra. Yoni Mudra helps in bringing a distracted mind to attentiveness and focus. It helps to calm the mind by silencing the constant chatter in our head. Yoni Mudra seals our energy within the body, keeping us energetic throughout the day. Yoni Mudra also stimulates our nerves. Thus, control and coordination of the body becomes more efficient and effective. Thus, we feel less tired and fatigued. This mudra draws inspiration from a tortoise, which withdraws its limbs inside its shell the moment it perceives a danger, in order to conserve its energy. Our five senses too continuously receive unnecessary and uncontrolled impulses which make us tired and fatigued. For example, our eyes lose 50% of our energy through screen time, TV, laptop or mobile phones. The starting position. Sit in any comfortable meditative posture. If not possible to sit on the floor, sit on a firm chair with an erect backrest. Keep the body above the waist straight and the spine erect. Focus on a point in front of you and gently close your eyes. Now bring the fingers of both hands pointing towards each other in front of the face. Place your thumbs on the ears, the little fingers below the lips, the ring fingers above the lips. Place the middle fingers on the respective nostrils or the bridge of your nose and the index fingers gently on the eyelashes. Ensure that your elbows are at shoulder level, parallel to the ground. Observe your breath in this position for 1 minute. Now gently bring your hands down, rub the palms together and cup your eyes. Slowly bring the hands down, open your eyes with a beautiful smile. Try to maintain this feeling for the entire day. Today let's warm up with spot walking. Once you get good at it, we'll move to spot jogging. It increases your immunity and strengthens your bones, burns calories too.
कुछ करिए नस नस मेरी खोले हाय कुछ करिए कुछ करिए बस बस बड़ा बोले अब कुछ करिए ओ कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए तू बेतरिए या मरिए हाय कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए तू बेतरिए या मरिए चक दे इंडिया चक दे इंडिया चक दे इंडिया चक दे इंडिया
Nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. This is the time, let's do or die. Nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. This is the time, let's do or die.
कूचों में गलियों में राशन की फलियों में बैलों में बीजों में ईदों में दीजों में रेतों के दानों में फिल्मों के गानों में सड़कों के गड्ढों में बातों के अड्डों में झुमका रोज भर ले 10-12 बार कर ले रहना न यार पीछे कितना भी कोई खींचे टस है नामस है जी सिद्ध है तो सिद्ध है जी किसना यूं ही किसना यूं ही किसना यूं ही बस करिए कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए तू बेतरिए या मरिए हाय कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए तू बेतरिए या मरिए चक दे इंडिया चक दे इंडिया चक दे इंडिया चक दे इंडिया
Nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. This is the time, let's do or die. Nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. This is the time, let's do or die.
लड़ती पतंगों में भिड़ती उमंगों में खेलों के मेलों में पल खाती रेलों में गन्नों के मीठे में खतर में छींटे में ढूंढो तो मिल जाओगे
Today, during our stretching, let us focus on removing toxins from our body. Toxins that enter our body in the form of junk food, pollution, and stress. Let's stretch those wrists. Point the fingers up, down, fingers pointed up, and fingers pointed down. Turn the palms facing upwards, fingers pointed up, fingers pointed down. One more time, fingers pointed up and fingers pointed down. Now press the palms together at the level of the chest and press the palms together behind your back. One more time. Palms together pressed in front of the chest and press the palms together behind your back. Now neck to the right, stretch the neck to the left. One more time, neck to the right and neck to the left. Now let's rotate the neck as well. Backward rotation. Right to left and back. Rotate one more time and bring it back to position. Now let's rotate the neck forward, half rotation forward. rotate to the left and rotate to the right. Stretch out the right arm in front, pull it back with the left arm. Stretch out the left arm straight, pull it back with the right arm. Stretch out the right arm, pull it back with the left arm. Stretch out the left arm, pull it back once again. Upward stretch. Stretch your hands above your head, rotate your palms, bring your hand down. One more time, a good upward stretch. Turn your palms, rotate and bring your hands down. Now let's stretch from the back. Take your hands up, bring your hands down. One more time. Stretch your hands up and bring your hands down. Now let's stretch the sides. Stretch to the right, stretch to the left. Feel the stretch to the right. Stretch once again to the left. Now let's do the stretch for the spine back. Stretch the spine forward. Stretch the spine back once again. Stretch the spine forward. Now let's twist the trunk. Twist the body to the right. Twist to the left. Twist once more as far as you can go. Twist to the left as far as you can go. Now let's exercise the hips. Take the legs out in front as high as possible and at the back as high as possible. Once more, in front as high as possible, at the back as high as you can go. Now with the left leg out in front as high as you can and at the back as high as you can take your feet. High as you can in front, as high as you can take your foot at the back. Now to the sides. Take your right leg to the side as high as you can, to the left, to the right as high as you can, and to the left as far as you can go. Now take the left leg as high as you can to the side, cross to the left as far as you can go. Take it up on the left as high as you can. Cross to the left as far as you can go. Relax the knees. Rotate the knees clockwise 4 times. Rotate the knees anti-clockwise 4 times. Now let's get ready for the ankles. Stretch your foot out, point the toes up, toes pointed down, toes pointed up, toes pointed down. Repeat for the left leg, toes pointed up, toes pointed down, toes pointed up, and toes pointed down. Let's move the ankles to the right and left. Move the ankles to the right, the toes to the right, toes to the left. Toes to the right and toes to the left. Now let's stretch the left ankle, toes to the right, toes to the left. Stretch well to the right and stretch to the left. Let's practice last week's asan, Garudasana. Right arm stretched out in front on top. Twist the arms. Take the left leg up. Twist it around the ankles. Left arm on top. Twist the hands around each other. Right leg on top. Twist it around the left leg. Right arm on top. Twist the arms. Left leg on top. Twist it around the right leg. Left arm on top, twist the arms, right leg on top, twist around the left leg. Right arm on top, twist the arms around each other, left leg on top, twist around the right leg. Left arm on top, twist the arms, right leg on top, twist the legs. Right arm on top, twist the arms, left leg on top, twist the leg. We'll practice it once more with the soundtrack of Chak De. Now let's practice these stretches once again to the title song of Chak De India.
कुछ करिए नस नस मेरी खो दे हाय कुछ करिए बस बस बड़ा बोले अब कुछ करिए ओ कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए तू बेतरिए या मरिए हाय कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए तू बेतरिए या मरिए चक दे गलियों में राशन की फलियों में बैलों में बीजों में ईदों में दीजों में रेतों के दानों में फिल्मों के गानों में सड़कों के गड्ढों में बातों के अड्डों में झुमका रोज भर ले 10-12 बार कर ले रहना न यार पीछे कितना भी कोई खींचे टस है नामस है जी जिद है तो जिद है जी किसना यूं ही किसना यूं ही किसना यूं ही बस करिए कोई तो चल जिद फड़िए तू बेतरिए या मरिए हाय कोई तो चल जिद फड़िए तू बेतरिए या मरिए चक दे इंडिया चक दे इंडिया चक दे इंडिया चक दे इंडिया
Nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. This is the time to do or die. Nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. This is the time to do or die.
लड़ती पतंगों में भिड़ती उमंगों में खेलों के मेलों में पल खाती रेलों में गन्नों के मीठे में खतर में छींटे में ढूंढो तो मिल जावे तख्ता वही जो में रंग है समाज दिखरे और खुल के आज बिखरे मन जाए ऐसी होली रग रग मचल के बोली टस है ना मस है जी जिद है ता जिद है जी किसना यूं ही पिसना यूं ही पिसना यूं ही बस करिए कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए तू बेतरिए या मरिए हाय कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए तू बेतरिए या मरिए चक दे कुछ करिए नस नस मेरी खोले हाय कुछ करिए कुछ करिए बस बस बड़ा बोले अब कुछ करिए ओ कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए तू बेतरिए या मरिए हाय कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए तू बेतरिए या मरिए चक दे
Nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. This is the time to do or die. Nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. This is the time to do or die.
कूचों में गलियों में राशन की फलियों में बैलों में बीजों में ईदों में दीजों में रेतों के दानों में फिल्मों के गानों में सड़कों के गड्ढों में बातों के अड्डों में घूमता रोज भर ले 10-12 बार कर ले रहना न यार पीछे कितना भी कोई खींचे टस है ना मस है जी जिद है तो जिद है जी किसना यूं ही पिसना यूं ही पिसना यूं ही बस करिए कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए तू बेतरिए या मरिए हाय कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए तू बेतरिए या मरिए चक दे इंडिया चक दे इंडिया चक दे इंडिया चक दे इंडिया
Nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. This is the time to do or die. Nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. This is the time to do or die.
Now let's look at an everyday asan, Pavan Muktasan. Improves digestion, strengthens the lower back, reduces belly fat and can cure constipation. There are 3 variations. Beginners can start with the sitting variation. Stretch out the legs in front of you. Shoulders relaxed. Pull your right thigh towards the chest. Pull it tightly till you feel the compression in your abdomen. Release the leg to the floor. You can increase the compression by twisting the arm around the knee if you like. Now let's see the abdomen compression for the left leg. Stretch the legs out in front first. Bending the left knee. Pull the left leg close to your chest till you feel the compression in your abdomen. Hold for a few seconds and release. You can do the twist variation for a little more compression in the abdomen. Now let's look at the lying variation. You can lie down, be relaxed. Adjust your body. Slowly lift both your feet up to 90 degrees. Bend at the knee. Now pull the legs towards your chest. When you feel a good compression in the abdomen, you can lift your head, touch your forehead to the knees. Gently go back. This time, try to touch your chin to the knees for added compression and blood flow in the abdomen area. To release the posture, stretch the legs out straight and slowly bring the legs down. The last variation with added balance and strength is the one leg pose. Stand on the right leg, pull the left leg close to the chest and hug the knees. Get your balance. Put the leg down. Now stand on the left leg. Pull the right leg bent at the knees close to your body till you feel the compression in your abdomen. For added compression, you can do the side variation. Bring your hands in front of the knee, twist your hand and hold your hands at the back. One more time, lift the right knee, bring your hand in front of the knee and try to clasp your hands at the back. Come down once more to see how to clasp your hands. Lift the left knee, put your shoulders in front and try to hold your palms from behind. Release the posture. Do the same for the right knee. Take your hands in front of the right knee and try to hold them behind your back as far as you can go.